What is going on, guys? Today we're transforming this 2008 Jeep Wrangler 4x4. We're going to be going through over a few things. So this Jeep, guys, it does have some mechanical work that needs to be done. The differential seal is leaking, so we're going to be doing the differential seal. We're going to be doing some brake pads. We're going to be doing some you know, all the good stuff, all the oil changes and all that. By the way, on a Jeep, how do you unlock? I mean, Jeeps are always weird when it comes to buttons and stuff, but where's the center lock for all the doors? Is there one at all? If so, let me know in the comments below, guys. I mean, I have no idea. How do you unlock all the doors all at once? So the differential seal needs to be done on this Jeep. As you can see, this is a nice Jeep. It's not a bad Jeep by any means. It has some nice vinyl here and there. It says take it out and play with it, which is cool, which means take it off-road. It's got some really nice tires. It's got a really, I would say, stained interior. Not that dirty, but it's definitely dirty. It looks like there was pits in here. I don't know if you can see the hairs, but it's gonna require some work, you know. It is gonna require some work. The cool thing about this Jeep, though, is that this whole roof is removable. So in the summer, you can literally remove the entire roof, the front, the rear, and the entire back as well. And it's very easy to do. And it's got a roll cage already, so it's got that frame going on, so you don't have to worry about anything if it rolls over or anything. But yeah, Brian, so this one needs the differential seal, the brake pads, and what else?
Differential seal, the brake pads, and
Differential seal, the brake pads. That's it?
yeah, I think this.
No more?
I think maybe no.
Differential seal, the brake pads, and I think he did mention something else, but I don't remember what it is. But you see, you can see this is the condition of the car, guys. Let me show you. He's doing the differential right over there. It was leaking bad, so it needed to be done. And also, this is how dirty the car is. So we're gonna show you that full transformation, so stay tuned, guys. And let's take you step by step to see what kind of work. Oh, look, it's gonna need some body work right here. There's a little bit of rust, so that's another thing that we need to know. It's got some stuff we need to figure out what that is about too. Let me open it up. But yeah, that's the type of things that we fix, guys. What is that? It's like some kind of awning, so we need to figure out what this is for. I think it's like a manual awning, but we're gonna have to figure it out. It says go outside. Right there's like a compass. I mean, honestly, I personally think he went a little bit overboard with all the vinyls and all the, you know, the things. This one is a trail rated. There's also another dent right over here. But the cool thing about the Jeeps is that all the panels are easily removable. It's easy to work on. So stay tuned, guys, and I'm gonna show you the transformation of this car. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell button. It's gonna help me out a lot. And make sure to check out Barman Auto Sales, located here in Bakersfield, California. We are one of the largest used car dealerships here in Bakersfield, California. So make sure to check us out, guys. Okay, so it does need a stabilizer bar and the bushings as well. So you can see right there, it did have on the inspection that it was clunking and it had suspension noise. So right here, that needs to be replaced, and the stabilizer bar. All right, guys, so stay tuned and say peace to the subscribers, Brian. Peace. Is it hard or no?
Yeah, it's hard, bro.
It's hard, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. And here is the result, guys. Let me take you on a full walkthrough on the things that we did right off the bat. So this Jeep needed some suspension work, so we checked all the suspension, and we replaced some axles in the front. And this one, it does come with a rough country lift, which is just kind of like a show and a slightly off-road performance oriented shocks. It's not really the best off-road performance shocks, but you know, I mean, for what you intend to use this Jeep for, it will do the job very well. I took it off-roading one time and it did amazing. We climbed a mountain, we didn't beat it up or anything, just like a slight crawling. Check the 4x4 system. But yeah, the rear looks really good too. Here's the rear, guys. Check it out. We did like a full-on transformation. We painted a few all the bumpers, you know, restored all the bumpers, the front, the rear, all the fender flares, all that rear cover roof cut top area, all the door handles, all the door hinges, everything. We did like pretty much a full-on restoration. Check out the inside. The inside looks really nice as well, ready to go. This one comes with a hard top roof, which is removable. It can be easily removed. The door can be easily removed as well, and you can take it off-roading. You can take it, you know, in the summer, have a good time, do what you gotta do. So this is the result, as you can see, in the rear as well. We gave it a full detail, full polish in the exterior, full disinfection and detail on the interior, so it looks nice and clean, ready to go. This one comes with like a massive tarp. I'm guessing it can be used to cover cargo, or it can be used to set up a tent of some sort. I'm not really sure, but we're gonna throw that in. Tow hitch as well is provided. 4x4 Jeep, of course. You know, you get a Jeep, it's gotta be a 4x4, so you can take it anywhere you need. Tire is hanging in the rear. Really nice, beautiful Jeep overall. This is another one that is available for sale, slightly more modified. It is available at Barman Auto Sales for sale as well. So check it out, guys. The link in the description below. We are one of the largest local used car dealerships here in Bakersfield, California. I like these aftermarket hangers. Check out the interior. For the interior, we didn't really do much other than the detail. We added this nice touch right here. It's like a red strap to hold the door. The previous one was all worn out and it was black, so we thought the red will match well with the exterior and also with the handles that are right here already. So just small little touches will make big difference on this car. LED lights in the front, fog lights work great. I mean, this is a beautiful truck overall. Let me show you the engine bay. Right here. Idling like a bee. Take a listen. So smooth. Can in air filter. Beautiful truck. A lot of people, by the way, think that to close the Jeep hood you have to slam it down, but this actually ruins the hood. What you need to do, you just sit it down just like I just did, and you close the clamps right here, and this thing is not going anywhere. So there you have it, guys. Full walk-on through Jeep Wrangler trail rated, as you can see right here. This truck is available at Barman Auto Sales, one of the largest, if not the largest. We have a massive 2-acre lot in Bakersfield, California. Provide quality vehicles at affordable prices. So make sure to check us out, guys. The link in the description below for this particular vehicle is going to be in the description below. And if you like this type of transformation content, don't hesitate to give us a thumbs up and a subscribe and the bell button. It's gonna help us out a lot to keep providing quality content as well. And until next time, peace.